Hey guys, so it's long time no video. So I just because I lost Wi-Fi and cell phone, so I'll start to tell about family problems, something like that. So yep. But now I'm going to show you my homemade squishies that I just made. Not today, like another week. Okay, and someone told me that I was a scammer. Well, I'm not a scammer. It's hard to explain to me. Yep. So first, I have this panda bun. It has this red bow. And I forgot to put some near on it, but I put it later. And then I have this Hello Kitty macaroon. I hope you can see that. Oh, sorry for that. It's a bad lightning. It has this red bow. It has strap right here, and this one is inspired by Filipino production, so I give her credit. Then the second one, it has also strap. And then I have this mini Roti Toast squishy. It has also slices at the top, but it's not in packaging, so I can't really see it. So yeah. Then I have another one which says X Ice. Sorry for that weird sound. And then I have these yogurts. This one is super squishy. It has blueberry. And there's some drizzle. It has this pink strap. I used it with the tumbler cup. It's a plastic. And I didn't saw someone made something like this, so if you did, just I'll give you credit. Then I made this fruit collection apple. And this one's inspired by Kawaii's top, but hers is cherry, so I just decided to make mine a apple, and it's this really cute packaging. And then I made this pancake. It has strawberry at the top. And then I have this waffle. Just really, really cute. I really love this one. Then I have this cream puff. And that's actually really squishy because it has air inside, so sorry for the crinkly noise. It has this drizzle and the side of it is that cream. Yep, I have that. And I have this Rilakkuma toast, which is so tiny. And here's the back of you. I really love this one, it's so realistic. It's actually not the same face of Rilakkuma, so I don't know how to make the real face of Rilakkuma. I have this donut, it just needs color, some decorating. This one is made out of real squishy. I use a squishy bun, my jumbo bun, and I just make it to donut. So squishy. And then lastly, I made this Rilakkuma toast. If you want a tutorial on this, I can also make. She is really cute. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.